My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
What's cracking, YouTube? It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below, and it'll be right there. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Alright, I ain't even gonna waste your time. We're just gonna jump straight into the shoe because I'm having some car problems right now, so I need to take care of my car. So that kind of blew my days early. It's only 11:27 a.m. on Saturday morning. I'm already like a little bit upset. So we're just gonna jump straight to it so I can handle some grown-up business. Shout out to Foot Locker. Just got back to the mall, from the mall, excuse me. Alright, right off bat, I do like when they do special boxes. It add a little flavor to the shoe. I know you're not gonna wear the box, but I do when it just shows they care a little bit. This box is a little bit beat up already, but it is what it is. So as you see, got that two-tone black and gray all around the box. A little splattered black paint around it, going all the way around it. I do like this. I do like this. I do like this. Description reads: Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Color is black, fire red, white. Suggested retail price I think was $190 if I'm not mistaken. $190 or no, $180 I think. I'll tell y'all in the video. But size 8.5, so you know what that means. Personal pair, no reseller here. Boom. All right. Like I said, we're gonna get straight into it. Regular paper, nothing special. And without further ado, we got the we'll put that right there. We got the Air Jordan 1 High washed gray. Boom, like I said, wash gray. I think that's the wash heritage. I see a couple names, it's well like that. So that's some information. Again, like I said earlier, I don't mean to rush through the video, but I got some car stuff I need to take care of. So this is not gonna be as long as my typical videos. Hold on, let me just I had some information already ready, and I lost the information. 1 second, please. 1 second. Yeah, I think it's called Wash Heritage. I thought it was called Wash Gray. Okay. And I had some information from another website that I wanted. Here we go, got it. All right, this is off of KicksOnFire.com. Shout out to KicksOnFire.com. Let me give you this will be right now. It should be right next to y'all so y'all can see, y'all can read along with it. But it reads the Air Jordan 1 High OG Wash Black. Okay, I see Wash Black now. Consists as a forthcoming iteration of the silhouette, which will be releasing in 2023. This new colorway iteration of the model is reflective of the 2021 Air Jordan 1 High OG Hyper Warrior, which I don't have anymore, but I did have it, and right now it will be up there. The review for that one will be up there right now because I did have that shoe. The high top boasts a white leather upper that is defined by the highlight black wash overlays. Yeah, I just want to make sure this was the right shoe because it keep on saying black, but it's not really black, and it's gray. A white leather upper that is defined by the highlighted black wash overlays, followed by gray accents throughout. Finally, subtle red branding, 2 extra set of laces, a sail midsole, and black rubber outsole of the profile. And retail was $180. So yeah, okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Y'all want to read that. It's right there. I'll leave it up there for a couple seconds. I'm gonna kind of cut it off. But yeah, I mean, it's a plain Jordan 1 shoe. It's that wash color. Feel it, if I'm gonna turn this off right now. Y'all should have enough time to read that, hopefully. This is based on the Hyper Royals and the, I want to say the Turbo Greens too. A review for the Turbo Greens will be right there. I did do a review on something else that was kind of similar to this. It was the, I forgot what it was called, but I think it was the Wash Pink ones. They just came out, I think last month. That review also will be right there. So it was like a 4 shoe set. I had the Turbo Greens, I had the Denim Wash. I got rid of them because I really wasn't wearing them, but now I want to get it to complete the set. I do have pink ones. I have 2 pairs of the pink ones. I really like that one. But like they said, got that sail midsole right there going around. Got that white toe box right there. And on the side panels, got that gray, I think blackish gray right there. Got that. Got that black with the red right there on the tag. White laces come with it. That Jumpman with a wings logo right there on the side and white. Rubber black outsole. This kind of like this grayish white tongue. Instead of 2 sets of laces. Let's check. It should be in a brown box unless they just stuffed them in there. Yep, brown box. Here we go right here. Some black laces. I thought it said 2 other sets of laces. Maybe some red ones. Red ones will look fire in this. I think red laces with this will look fire.
No.
What? I mean, I think red laces look fire just because of this right
here. Isn't everything red in that Nike red? Isn't all the
Jordan played for the Bulls, so that color is red.
But still, why red? It won't make any sense.
I think red laces will look fire.
No, it won't.
Okay. All right. Well, we agree to disagree. It is what it is.
I disagree.
What's your classic? What are you giving this 1 to 10?
5.
You don't like it because it's just gray and white, huh?
Yeah.
I kind of feel you don't like that. I'm going to give this a 6.5, maybe a 7, but 6.5. It's a plain shoe. I do agree that it's just a plain shoe, just gray and white. Nothing special about it. I think it's clean though. I think it's clean. It's easy to match. You can put it with a lot of different things, so it's not like you got to find a crazy outfit. But that's why I think the red lace will look good with this because it will pop it. That's the reason why I said it. I think that it is a plain shoe. I agree with you, but I think if you throw some red, swap it with some red laces, at least make it stand out a little bit. But we can, like I said, we can agree to disagree. It's fine. Everybody got their own opinion.
Sure.
But yeah. Neo Classic is not too high on this shoe. He gave it a 5. I gave it a 6.5. So, and that's just me being generous. So, anyway, let me know in the comments below what you think about the. So many different names: Wash Black, Wash Gray, Wash Heritage. Y'all let me know in the comments below what y'all think about this Air Jordan 1 that just dropped today. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.